What is the road? The road is a paved way or a route or a thoroughfare which drives you to reach your destination through vehicles. Roads are classified based on different criteria, each among them is further classified into different types of roads. In this post, I give a brief description of each and every type and terms which you frequently listen when someone talks about roads. Classification of road based on speed and accessibility. Freeways, expressways, highways, arterials, local streets, collector roads. Freeways are also called as access-controlled highways. Freeways are wide roads designed for fast-moving vehicles to travel long distances with higher speeds. These are generally designed in 4 lanes, 2 lanes in each direction. Traffic movement on freeways is continuous and unhindered because there are no railway or road intersections and no signals. As mentioned above, access is controlled everywhere in this type of roads. The driver never comes in contact with the opposing flow of traffic. To separate traffic from other roads, freeways are accessed only through ramps. Bridges or underpasses are constructed to create a passage for roads which cross freeways. You can see from the above image that there is no obstruction and free flow of traffic in each direction. Parking and walking are strictly prohibited on freeways, and they don't have footpaths on either side of roads. The minimum speed limit and maximum speed limit varies from the country by country, and it ranges between 45 miles per hour to 75 miles per hour. Expressways are one of the superior types of access-controlled roadways where the entry and exit of the expressway are fully controlled by ramps. As the name itself express, echoing that these are meant for a free flow of very speed traffic. Expressways are designed to travel quickly with great comfort and safety by avoiding sharp curves, busy traffic intersections, railway junctions. Vehicles with high acceleration are only permitted in expressways. Heavy load vehicles, cargo vehicles, pedestrians are not allowed. Parking, loading and unloading are strictly prohibited on expressways. You can see clearly the access is controlled by the left side ramp to join with the expressway. Highways connect villages to cities or cities to cities or state to state, or the roads connect the state capital to the national capital are called highways. Highways are the roads run through the length and breadth of the country. They are generally laid in 2 lanes. Highways are further classified into national highways, state highways, urban highways, and rural highways. We will discuss these types in location and function category. Arterials are the roads laid inside the city or town for the movement high volume of traffic. An arterial road joins the central business point to the outside residential areas. Arterials provide access to the highways. Pedestrians are allowed to cross the roads only at intersections or at designated pedestrian crossings. The flow of traffic is controlled by a signaling system at intersections. Parking is not allowed on arterial roads. In the above image, white lanes and yellow lanes denote arterials. Local streets don't carry a large volume of traffic like arterials. The speed limit is restricted to 30 km per hour in a local street. Local streets allow you to properties around it. In simple, the road which you to take to reach the nearest vegetable market is the local street. Pedestrians can cross the road at any point in local streets. Unrestricted parking, loading and unloading of vehicles are allowed in local streets. They usually don't have any divider with boulders but divided with 1 meter dotted white lines or straight white line. Collector roads collect and deliver the traffic to and from local streets and arterials. The speed limit usually ranges between 35 to 55 km per hour. Pedestrians are allowed to cross only at intersections. Parking can be allowed except at peak times. The below graph represents the speed and accessibility for different types of roads. Thanks for watching. This is AEM Faber's Construction Private Limited for you, drafting your dreams, crafting your curiosity.